Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for this opportunity. First of all, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Agus Setiawan. My current position as a Dean of the Faculty of Engineering and Industrial Education of Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I also a coordinator of UNEVOC Center Indonesia, and my university became Universitas Center since 2010, quite a long time. My talk today is to respond the theme of this workshop. The title of my speech will be Policy to Practice Indonesian Dual Agenda on Digitalization and Green Skill Acquisition in TVET. For the first two slides, allow me to introduce briefly about my university profile. Okay, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, or UPI, is UPI is a public comprehensive university with a state-owned legal entity and with full autonomy. UPI located in Bandung, close to Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia. And now we have 10 faculties in almost all field of study. One of the faculties, my faculty of Engineering and Industrial Education. We also have 5 local regional campuses located around West Java and West Java province and Banten province. And we offer 173 study programs, bachelor, master program, and doctoral program. And now we have roughly about 1,600 lecturers, and we manage about 56,000 students in various levels. As a university in general, we also commit with the quality assurance. Some of study program already accredited by international accreditation agency like Aquas, Aquin, and other international agency. And also we participate in some World University ranking like World University ranking and Time Higher Education. But our ranks is still low at the moment. But for by subject education and training, my university is still in the #1 in Indonesia, and in general, number 25 in Indonesia. So next, one of the faculties, my faculty, Faculty of Engineering and Industrial Education, we have 20 study program. Mostly in bachelor degree, 10 study program in technical and vocational education, a program in engineering and technology program, and also we have 2 professional program in engineering and teachers. This is important to mention here that the UPI originally is a teacher college. So our main mandate is to prepare the teacher for school, starting from elementary school until the high school. My faculty is responsible to produce TVET teachers at the secondary level in various fields of study, in engineering and also non-engineering program. So we have 165 lecturers at the moment, and at my faculty we have around 6,000 students. I also would like to introduce one of the unit under my faculty. We have TVET Research Center. This is the only one research center in Tibet recognized by government, by the Ministry of Education, Research and Technology, and support financially by government. So under TVET Research Center, we conduct research in TVET area and also conduct some training for vocational teachers at vocational school. So it is important for me to increase the quality of teachers for vocational school. That's why, I mean, the current issue like digitalization and green skill is very important to be integrated in our TVET teacher education system. Now, a problem I would like to talk about the, digitalization and green TVET. Actually, we have key driver from the national level in the form of some law and regulation. So here I would like to address three key drivers in green transition, sustainability metric, and TVET revitalization. So as you already know that basically for a typical Indonesian university, strongly recommended by government to participate in the World University ranking, including sustainability related measure like green metric and also QS sustainability. So that's why at university level, we have to accommodate some aspect related to the sustainability into the curriculum and also teaching and learning program. Another issue is since 2016, we have a strong government policy, the presidential decree on the TVET revitalization with the purpose to improve the quality of human research, especially for the vocational school graduate. So it is important for Indonesia to, to integrate to issue digitalization and sustainability as well as green into the teaching and learning process at the class. Talking about the teachers, actually at the moment, teacher pipelines refer to the entire system and a process for attracting, preparing, increasing, licensing, recruiting, and retaining qualified individual to become remain effective quality teachers. In this case, we face some challenges in Indonesia to improve the quality of TVET teachers in the future. So one of the issues is uneven teachers' numbers, competencies, workshop, laboratory, school industry cooperation lead to vocational high school graduate. So for your information, Indonesia has roughly about 14,000 vocational school. So the issue related to the teachers quality and also, teacher distribution is one of the important issue to be addressed in the future. And based on the research, around 9% unemployment come from the vocational school graduate. Then traditional in-service professional development model, cascade and short course model show limited effectiveness. So in the future, we need to practice proximal model to improve the quality of future teachers. Teacher lacks green skill, understanding. This is based on my college research. So the current green talent will not meet the demand for green job. So in the future, we have to integrate green-related content into the curriculum for TVET teacher education. Indonesia vast territory present a challenge to standardizing the teachers' competency. Therefore, Indonesia has adopted digital teachers training and preparation. This is very important because Indonesia is very large. So by implementing, IT infrastructure in various places, we can manage education better by delivering online hybrid mode of education. Well, now the question in how are UPI and especially my faculty closing the gaps. So first, with respect to the digital transformation at scale, infrastructure and platform, we try to integrate learning management system platform and smart learning management system in our daily teaching and learning process at my university, and also smart classroom expansion for hybrid learning. We have a program. Every single faculty has to equip some room for a smart to become a smart classroom for hybrid learning. And also you increase the backbone of the internet access and increase the number of hotspots. We also implement LMS for national-wide distance learning, especially for teacher professional education program. This is actually managed by government level, but implemented at the university level. And hosting some certification in the area of digital literacy. With respect to sustainability governance and research align, first we institutionally align with the some World University ranking in sustainability like UPI Green Metric and QS sustainability indicators as a mandatory for the government. And then SDGs oriented research grant, SDGs as a KPI for research progress and funding criteria. So now my university has a policy. Every research should be connected to the achievement of SDGs as a part of selection criteria to be financed. And then establishing of sustainability focus research group. For example, we have a research group for blue and green curriculum research group. TVET Research Center, as already mentioned before, to drive economic sustainable development, green skill integration. With respect to the teacher standard and pre-service preparation, now we are working by, acquisition of ASEAN RTTS regional TVET teacher standard already established, and holistic competency Industrial Revolution 4.0 alignment, scope for more systematic adoption in Indonesia. And also we need to improve UPI pre-service model with much stronger pedagogy and subject mastery by implementing some new, relatively new teaching and learning model like project-based learning and problem-based learning, blended learning, and improve the school partnership, school and industry partnership. And for pre-service teachers, we also in the progress to integrate green pedagogy and digital pedagogy in an authentical context. And last, the fostering future TVET teachers to cultivate green skill mindset using digital technology in a classroom and workshop. And last but not least, we also integrate curriculum and lifelong learning pathway. In terms of curriculum, the green seal embedded into across the program, and micro credential or MOOC for flexible upskilling and continuous professional development. Oh, almost. Okay. Well, so this is so my last. Here are some policy recommendation based on the challenge and need in the area of RTTS, fund green digital micro credential, development of learning management system federation at national level, and respond on AI in education industry TVET ecosystem. Measure what matter, link budget to progress on green metric. I think because of time limited, that's all my presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr.